Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a professional and user-friendly FAQ page in Shopify. A well-structured FAQ page improves customer experience and reduces support inquiries. Make sure to watch until the end for all the key tips. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new page. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to Online Store greater than Pages, then click Add Page to create a new FAQ page. Step 2. Title and content. Choose a clear and relevant title such as Frequently Asked Questions, FAQ. In the content area, list common customer questions, along with concise, easy-to-read answers. Use bullet points or headings for better readability. Step 3. Organize by topics. Structure your FAQ page into categories such as shipping, returns, payments, and product information to help customers find answers quickly. Step 4. Add links. Enhance usability by linking to relevant pages, such as your shipping policy, return policy, or customer support pages for more detailed information. Step 5. Use accordion or collapsible sections. To keep the page clean and organized, consider using a Shopify app or custom HTML code to create collapsible FAQ sections. This improves user experience, especially on mobile devices. Outro. And that's it. Now you know how to create a well-structured FAQ page that enhances customer support and improves the shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next one.